Now turn your attention to the trip's history button. By clicking this, all the vehicles that you had selected on the map will populate their trip up until the current time. You can see how long a vehicle has been stopped, the idle time, drive time, mileage. Also, if a vehicle enters a zone, the zone name will appear, and a zone icon that shows the color of the zone on the map. If there is no zone, it will show the address for the location stopped at. The Options button above will let you change the date so you can view historical data, or even customize the data to pull a trip's history report. Your historical data is guaranteed for a year, but we do have customers that are able to pull up data much further back than that. The Summary button provides a quick snapshot of the miles driven for the date specified or the date range specified, as well as drive time and idle time in a bar graph format. The pie chart represents time spent in both customer and non-customer locations. When you're looking at the trip's history, you'll see up at the top of the page, you'll have a Live Positions button. That button will take you back to your live positions on the map. And whenever you're looking at the live positions on the map, you'll have the trip's history button, which takes you back to trip's history.